If you find a contract and you cannot meet the requirements of that contract, then don't bid on it. And the requirements are very simple. They'll tell you what you need to do inside the proposal. And for the limitations on subcontracting, you gotta do 50% if it's a service, right? So if you cannot somehow do 50% of the contract, don't submit a bid on it. Now, let's say you know for a fact you can do this contract, but it's in a different state, right? Well, what if you hire people and put them on your payroll to do some of the work from that state and you do project management remotely, right? You can hire people, and put them on your payroll. Or let's say you find a company, this is a trick now, right? Let's say you find a company that's in California, right? You win a contract in California and you're in Connecticut. Now you find a company to do that particular contract and the contract requires 4 employees to do it. Well, what if your subcontractor gives you two of their employees and put those 2 employees on your payroll? Yeah, they're still managing the contract, but 2 employees are getting paid through your payroll and the other two are getting paid through their payroll. But you know that they're their employees, but on paper they're your employees. That's how you still meet the requirement without actually physically doing the work. You can leverage you can leverage your subcontractors. You can leverage their employees. Just make sure that they're on your payroll and you have their W-2s and stuff like that. But I'm sure that the subcontractor wouldn't mind doing that, especially because they get to pay you. You're going to pay them for them pretty much.